Day 3. We're gonna go to the expo and then go to Vermilion Lake to go kayaking. I'm just taking out the trash right now, around the corner. All right, and then after headed to the expo. My right leg is kind of bothering me from hiking. Oh no. Andrew's driving to the expo. Look at that big flag. Oh, Canada! Here at the Fenland Banff Recreation Center. Yes, I can. Look at these clouds coming in. Oh. All right, let's go get our bibs. We do coffee in a van. Curling entrance. Health Fitness Expo. Here we go. I think these are all like the stops or like aid stations or like places to. Here at the expo. Hello. Expo, got our shirts and I got some goos and protein bars. I don't know if I'm gonna take them, but bought them just in case. And just here. Whoa. They had a cheese place and that place smelled. But we got a sticker. And we're gonna go to Vermilion Lake. Getting coffee over here. Getting our coffee. Got my coffee. Andrea got her cold brew. And we're now gonna go try to find some canoes. We just took a picture over here in the Banff spot. Now we are the Banff Sign. And now we are walking to Canoe. Woohoo! Banff Canoe Dogs, let's go! We made it to Canoeing. Here's Andrea. Yes? Okay, sorry. Ah! Sorry. It's raining! It's raining. Trying to keep our bags dry. It was just beautiful a second ago, but it looks like a rain cloud is above us. It is raining all over here. Hello. Ah! Oh no. Okay.
What do we do?
Nothing. I don't know how long this rain cloud is going to be over us. It might be eternity. And it stopped raining. We're heading back. Got a little bit wet in our boat. Bag got a little bit soaked. How you doing over there? Good. Just chilling. Hello. Hello. All right, we're coming to this tree. Look who came out. Mr. Sun. On our way back, we hear a train. Came from down over there. There's a duck sleeping. This water is freezing. Oh, dude, the water is so cold. But now it's nice and sunny out. We're almost back. We made it back. Backpacks are nice and dry. Over here, here's Andrea. Party! Wanna get this here? Hello, we're back. Now the sun's out.
Yeah.
Completely dry.
Over soaked.
Bye, Banff Canoe Club. We're now gonna go get some lunch, and I think we're just walking to downtown. The heck was that? Salt Lick, but I don't think that's the same Salt Lick as in Austin. Looks like rain's coming over there. You're back to that trailer? Feels good out in the sun, drying off. And we're gonna go to that green sign down there, Nourish. Hi, darling.
We're at a vegan place.
We're at a vegan spot.
So excited.
It's called Nourish Bistro, and we're gonna eat at the Bison after the marathon on Sunday. And Nate, if you can see all the way down there, Seoul Country Korean restaurant. Bam. Beautiful. Also, this is a really cool crosswalk.
Andrew's in the cross.
And we're crossing. And we're crossing. We're going to the shops. Back on the corner. Where we were for the game. Find your shop. Wanna go down this way? Probably right.
I'm wrong.
We're here on the corner of Bear Street and Wolf, and we're walking back to the car. Kinda don't want to shop. There's a lot of people, so probably gonna go on a weekday. Yeah, we're gonna take a ride up here.
But are we passing Nourish?
Nourish is down that. Yeah, it's that green sign down over there.
Yeah, right. We're gonna take a right.
Yeah, it's down right over there.
That's next.
Let's go this way. Vermilion City Lakes. Oh, come on. All right, we are back in the room. Made some dinner. Andrea made some spaghetti and tofu. I had my burrito left. Ate a little bit of that. Ate some spaghetti. We watched a movie. And we're just chilling, trying to keep off of our feet. Before the race tomorrow. Hello.
Hi.
So we're just relaxing, probably gonna go to sleep soon, and wake up early for the race.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Good night.
Good night.